Hi everyone, in this work, we present generating humanless environment walkthroughs from Egocentric walking tour videos. With the increasing availability of Egocentric walking tour videos, we now have access to a rich source of real-world video data. These videos are particularly attractive because they capture environments from a natural, first-person perspective, making them valuable for downstream applications like environmental modeling, immersive agent walkthroughs, or AR/VR. However, a major limitation of these videos is the significant presence of humans in the scene. Therefore, a natural next step is to remove people from these videos while preserving a clean background. Crowd removal is particularly challenging in egocentric videos for several reasons. Humans often occupy large portions of the frame, causing severe background occlusions. Due to the ground-level, first-person viewpoint, even a single nearby person can dominate the scene. In addition, camera motion is often correlated with human motions, leading to prolonged or never observed background regions, which is one of the most difficult cases for video in painting. Recent diffusion-based video in painting models achieve strong performance on benchmark datasets, particularly under sparse or distant occlusions. However, these models struggle on egocentric walking tour videos where human masks are large, persistent, and temporarily correlated with camera motion. We hypothesize that this performance gap mainly stems from domain shift between existing training data and real-world walking tour videos, rather than a shortcoming of the diffusion architecture itself. Based on this hypothesis, our approach is to adapt an existing state-of-the-art diffusion-based video and painting model, which is Casper, and fine-tune it to better handle egocentric walking tour videos. Instead of redesigning the architecture, we focus on constructing a rich supervised dataset that captures realistic occlusions and motion patterns in egocentric settings. Here, fine-tuning requires paired videos of the same scene with and without crowds, which is practically impossible under exact same lighting, camera motion, and environmental conditions. To address this limitation, we construct a semi-synthetic dataset pipeline by carefully compositing background and foreground clips extracted from real walking tour videos. This allows us to generate realistic training pairs that preserve real camera motion, lighting, and scene complexity while providing supervision for crowd removal fine-tuning. It is also noteworthy that for foreground selection, we compute a crowd percentage metric, which is the mean mask occupation ratio across frames, and assign each clip to one of 5 ranges. We then uniformly sample an equal number of clips from each bin, resulting in a balanced, even distribution across different crowd densities. We also simulate shadows to account for shadow association. Once we have the paired dataset ready, we freeze the VAE and text encoder parameters and fine-tune the part of 3D transformer. Here, we present qualitative comparisons with prior methods. Baseline tends to blur masked regions or may hallucinate content under large, prolonged occlusions. In contrast, our method is more robust to large occlusions and complex scenes, better preserving background structure and producing fewer artifacts. Here are some video comparisons with the baselines. With our clean videos, we showed 4D reconstruction results using 3D point clouds from the last frame viewpoint, with overlaid 3D point tracks. Compared to the raw input videos, reconstruction and 3D point tracking from crowd eraser outputs are more stable. Overall, crowd eraser enables large-scale egocentric walking tour videos to be better utilized for downstream 3D vision, and scene modeling tasks. To summarize, we introduced Crowd Eraser for dense crowd removal in Egocentric walking tour videos, along with EgoCrowd's dataset. More results and details can be found in the paper and on our project website. Thank you.